Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week, the place where magic begins. So, guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this RNB DRUMKIT blindfold volume 2. So, if you guys remember correctly, there was a one like a couple months ago. So yeah, so this is a continuation from that. So I don't want to say that I've been saying this because I feel like I've been saying this for the last couple days.
I feel like this is way better.
So let me just say this. In general, I feel like my kits are way better right now. It's way better than the stuff that I was releasing back then. So in terms of just quality itself. So the thing here is, I just want you to actually, feel like you have the right tools for the job. I don't want you to spend, a lot of time, there trying to make stuff, sound quality when you can just have it and just do your drum pattern or whatever you're trying to do, or the beat you're trying to make for the project that you're working on, just finish it and get out of there. So that's what we've been trying to do here. So without no further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So there's 808s, there's claps, there's kicks, there's loops, there's midis, there's percussion, and there's snares. But before we move on to that, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and start off with this amazing package. So I'm gonna start you off first with the Midis as always, and then we'll head back to the rest of the stuff. So let's go ahead and listen to the first Midi. I believe I already kind of loaded up the first Midi here, so all we got to do is just press play. So let's go ahead and hear that. That was the first Midi, second Midi. All right, third Midi. All right, fourth Midi. Believers Radio. All right, the last Midi. So that's it for the Midis, guys. That's it. That's it for the sauce and the Midis. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna start off first from here, from the snares going all the way up. So let's hear it. This is snares, the shakers. the percussion. The loops. I have some loops in here. All right, second loop. The kicks. All right, the hats. All right, the claps. All right, the 808 and the bass. The bass. So yeah, that's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. So I made a beat using this drum kit. So I uploaded it before the drum kit, so you guys can actually see how far you can actually go with this thing. So yeah, so that's it, man. So link in the description down below. And if you get any problems downloading this, just hit me up and I'll help you. But I don't think you should be getting any problems. So yeah, so enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number or my email, and yeah, we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the package, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.